Friday at the seaside as the country braces for more days of hot weather. But with higher temperatures come higher risks. It's set to exceed 30 degrees Celsius this weekend, with an amber level warning now in place in parts of England, urging those having fun in the sun to be cautious.
I'm loving it. It makes some nice change. It's really nice.
A lot of sun cream on the kids as well as us.
How are you staying safe in the sun?
Yeah, I've been drinking loads of water and I put sun cream on.
An amber level alert means the impacts of hot weather are likely to be felt across the health and social care services over the next few days. The warning is in place until Tuesday evening across the East Midlands, the east of England, the southeast, the southwest and London, with a lower level yellow alert in place in Yorkshire and the Humber and the West Midlands. This is the second amber warning issued in as many weeks. And for some across the country, it's not just health and safety they're worried about, but their livelihoods and businesses could also be impacted. At this farm in Essex, heat levels up means crop yields are down. Last year, this field was filled with thousands of sunflowers. This year, it is barren.
The grass hasn't grown. We're going to have to feed our cattle food that we preserve or keep for the winter. So will we have to buy more food in for them? Probably. Costs are going up. Wheat ripening too quickly, that's going to affect yields, it's going to affect quality. Across the country, in another much busier field, the tens of thousands who have gathered for Glastonbury are also feeling the heat.
I've seen a few people passing out, a few medics called.
I've got my sun umbrella with me and I know I don't look that popular.
Going back to the tent to dunk my head in a bucket of water.
In some parts of England, temperatures could rise to 31 degrees this weekend before potentially reaching as high as 34 degrees on Monday. As ever, authorities warn that with hotter weather comes greater responsibility to stay safe in it.
Well, as we head through into the weekend, it certainly is going to be a little more changeable the further north you go, but perhaps more bearable if you don't like the heat. That's going to be intensifying across the south and southeast as we head through the coming days. But if we take a look at our pressure pattern, you can see why we've got those changes. High pressure is building in across the south, and that's what's going to keep things largely settled, and we're also going to tap into that heat which is going to burst up from the near continent. But towards the north, low pressure never really too far away, so that's why things are going to be a little up and down here. Certainly not a washout weekend, I have to say, though. Well, let's take a look at this evening then, and as you can see, we've still got some outbreaks of rain the further north you go. Further south, it's going to be dry, quite clear, but one thing you will notice, actually up and down the country really, is it will be another uncomfortable night for sleeping. Temperatures in places may stick up at around 16 or 17 degrees Celsius, and that's going to get worse as we head through the weekend into the start of next week. As for Saturday, well, we are expecting the weather conditions to stay very fine across the south. Again, plenty more sunshine to come as we head through into the afternoon. Top temperature of 30 degrees expected out towards the southeast, maybe somewhere close to London. Further north, a little fresher with 1 or 2 showers certainly possible. Similar picture as we head into Sunday, but as I say, that heat intensifying on Monday with a high of 34.